Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the new Samsung Galaxy S23 cell phone. This phone is a factory-unlocked Android smartphone with some impressive specs that I'm excited to talk about. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the camera. The Galaxy S23 comes with a 50 megapixels high-resolution camera that allows you to capture crystal-clear content worth sharing. Whether you're posting on social media or printing photos, this phone will do justice to your precious moments. And with night mode, you can capture epic content in any setting, even in low light. So, whether you're at a concert or having a romantic night out, you can still take amazing photos. Moving on to performance, this phone comes with the fastest mobile processor available, which means you can work hard, play hard, or do both at the same time without any lag or delay. You can smoothly switch between apps and even unlock smooth gaming. So, if you're a mobile gamer, this phone will provide a great gaming experience for you. Another great feature of this phone is its massive internal storage. You can choose between 128GB or 256GB of storage, depending on your needs. So, whether you're the family shutterbug or you carefully curate your gallery, you can capture the moment with confidence knowing that you have the right amount of space. And if you're worried about the battery life, don't be. The Galaxy S23 comes with a 3900 mAh battery that will keep you going all day long. So, whether you're capturing a memory or catching up with friends, this phone will be ready when you need it most. One last feature I want to mention is the adaptive display. This phone comes with an adaptive vision booster that helps your screen adapt to your environment. Whether you're out in direct sunlight or in bed with the lights off, the contrast on the Galaxy S23's expansive screen still looks amazing. So, you can watch your content comfortably wherever you are. Now, let's talk about the price. The Samsung Galaxy S23 cell phone is priced at $859, which is a bit steep, but considering the specs and features this phone comes with, I think it's worth it. Overall, I think the Samsung Galaxy S23 cell phone is a great phone with some impressive specs and features. If you're in the market for a new phone and you're willing to spend a bit more, then I would definitely recommend checking out the Galaxy S23. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more product reviews in the future.